Did you know there's a typing test that can predict exactly when you'll die? A data entry clerk found this out the hard way. She discovered an old website that seemed normal at first, just another words per minute test. But after typing for 60 seconds, something strange appeared. Instead of just her typing speed, the screen showed a date, her exact death date. She laughed it off as a sick joke until she tested it on her coworkers. The website calculated their death dates too, all different, all specific. Then she remembered something. Her colleague, who quit last month, she typed his name into the system. The predicted date matched the day of his funeral. The website wasn't measuring typing speed. It was reading something else. Something in the rhythm of keystrokes, the pauses between letters, how often someone hit backspace. She stared at her own prediction again. The date was only 6 days away. Tomorrow she'll discover what happens when she tests it on missing persons.